Three habits that is making you fat and sick very fast. I guarantee that if you start making changes in these three habits and break these habits and replace them with the right and the new habits, your body will stay healthy effortlessly. Not just that, you will lose weight, you will feel much healthier and much happier. The reason we are doing these habits because nobody has told us that these habits are harming our health. We are doing them unconsciously because it is not being spoken about on social media, or there is no product or a supplement or a packet which you can take and which can help you lose weight or feel much healthier. So what are these three habits? The first one is eating fast. Now we all know that eating and healthy eating is on its place. You eat good food. Now, if you are eating fast, what is happening is that you are not chewing your food properly, and the unchewed food which reaches your stomach is not being able to digest it by the stomach, because your stomach does not have teeth and the process of digestion starts in your mouth. So the faster you eat, the lesser you chew the food, and the lesser you chew the food, the more harmful for your body. It does not matter if you are eating a salad or if you are eating a broccoli or if you are eating a healthy food. But if you are not chewing that food, if you are eating fast, then that food which goes inside your body is going to harm your body, and also the body will not be able to absorb any nutrients from the food that you eat. You might eat something which is healthy and nutritious, but if you are not chewing that food in your mouth properly, if you are eating fast because either you're stressed or you have to reach something, or you don't have time and you're just eating fast because you want to finish the food, you will finish the food, but that food is going to harm your body when it goes inside your body. The second is, when you are chewing fast, you automatically eat more, and when you are eating slow, you automatically eat less. So fast eating leads to more eating, leads to more calorie intake, and that will add on to your weight and it is going to harm your body. So the first habit which you need to break is the habit of eating fast, and you have to replace that with slow eating and chewing more. So when you eat slow and when you chew more, you make sure that you are not overeating, number one, and second, the food that you are eating is well absorbed and digested by the body, and the food you eat is not going to harm your body. So make sure you start eating slow and you start chewing your food more, and you break the habit of eating fast. The second habit is of breathing fast. Now, breathing is the sign of life. Because of our fast-paced lifestyle, environment, and the way we are living, we are not aware of our breath. When you are born, it is your first breath, and when you die, it is your last breath. So in between, what is determining your lifespan and the quality of your life is the quality of your breath. So if you are breathing faster, you are automatically aging faster. Now this is scientifically proven. If we compare the breathing rates of the animals and other species, we see that the animals like dog, who are breathing 20 to 30 breaths per minute, their lifespan is only around 10 to 20 years. We humans are breathing anywhere between 12 to 16 breaths per minute, which is on a higher side. That's the reason the lifespan is anywhere around 70 to 80. While if you see the other animals like tortoise and whales, they are taking only 3 to 4 breaths per minute, which helps them live till 150 to even 200 years. So the quality and the quantity of your life is determined by your breathing. If you are breathing fast, if you are not aware of your breathing, you are putting your body under stress, which goes into fight and flight response and compromising your digestion and immunity. And second, the faster you breathe, the faster you age. You might be 50 years, but if you are breathing fast under stress, your body is behaving like a person who's 70 to 80 years old. So there is calendar age and there is biological age. So the slower you breathe, the better for your body, the better for your health. Now the ideal and the optimum breathing rate is anywhere between 5 to 6 breaths per minute. So you breathe in and then you breathe out. Make sure your exhales are always longer than your inhale. If you are inhaling for 4 seconds, make sure you exhale out for at least 5 to 6 seconds, because that is going to break the stress response and is going to start the healing and repair response in your body. The second is, when you are breathing fast, you are not utilizing the 100% capacity of your lungs. You are only using 30 to 40% capacity of your lungs. And the capacity of the lungs and the part of the lungs where the air is not going, it starts decaying, it starts dying, and then you start getting respiratory problems. When there is any kind of respiratory virus in the system, you are impacted more because your lung capacity and your breathing is compromised because of over breathing and fast breathing. So make sure you get aware about your breathing. You are breathing slow. You consciously take breathing breaks and you break the pattern of fast breathing and come back to the natural and normal breathing, which is slow breathing and using your belly and diaphragm for deep breathing. And the last and the most important is, you are not forgiving fast. You hold grudges. You are not able to forgive people. Oh, you did this to me, this guy did to me, this thing bad happened to me in the past, or I will either not forgive people or I will not ask for forgiveness. Now research says that, so the people who can forgive people, people who have a forgiving nature, their chances of developing cancer drops by 33% in their entire lifetime. So 33% less chance of getting cancer if you forgive people fast. You did something, someone did to you, you forgive and you forget, and you don't carry that burden with you. Because what is eating you inside when you are not forgiving is much more harmful than what you are eating. So any hate, any grudge, any somebody did to you, in your past, or maybe right now in your office, in your home, in your work environment, or in the social gathering, you feel somebody is doing something you, somebody is hurting you, go and talk to the person, forgive the person. You say that, you did this to me, I felt hurt and I forgive you for that. Or you did something bad to somebody, go and say sorry that, I did this to you, I feel bad and please forgive me. So the faster you forgive, the faster you allow your body to stay healthy effortlessly. Because when you are not forgiving, when you keep the hate, when you keep the grudge, when you keep the anger inside, it impacts your emotions, your breathing is compromised, you start breathing fast, and when you are not feeling good, you start eating fast as well. So start forgiving fast, start breathing slow, and start eating slow, and start chewing more. Once you make these three changes in your lifestyle, you initiate the healing response in your body, which is the natural response of the body, which is going to keep you healthy effortlessly as long as you live. I hope this video empowers you to make the changes in these three harmful habits, which is harming your body and stopping your body from staying healthy effortlessly. If you have any questions about these three habits, please post it below the video. Share it with people whom you know that they are doing this habit and they are damaging their body and they are aging faster. It will help them stop and make the necessary changes. Till then, stay healthy effortlessly, and I'll see you in the next video.